Hi everyone! In week 10 we are going to continue working on our argument essay in addition to learning about how to use strong verbs in our writing. Alright, so if we take a look at the overview for this week, a few things that you want to do, your readings and the discussion where we'll talk about a sample argument essay. You'll submit your first draft for essay 2 based on my comments on your outline. So take a look at those to help guide you in writing the draft. Use your outline as a tool. We're going to talk about strong verbs and weak verbs, and I want you to get some practice and start thinking about that. Even as you're drafting, look at the number of to be verbs in your writing and passive voice. All right, let me go back to the modules. So the discussion for this week, we are talking about a reading from the book that is an argument essay and trying to glean as much as we can from that writer's techniques and strategies for argument, finding new ideas and new strategies to use in your own paper. And the big thing this week is your essay 2 draft. I do have some things here to help you on this draft page, including a sample video about structuring body paragraphs, works cited page for both of the papers depending on which topic you chose, and I also have this video about introductions and conclusions. Alright, let me know if you have any questions. I hope you guys have a great week.